Hey, money magnets, we're dropping you another one. Why Keypoint Credit Union is better than Navy Federal.
Look, they got a lot of products very similar to Navy, but they got some other features that are absolutely better.
Okay, Marvin, let's not forget to tell them that this is a soft pull. So let's dive into some of the benefits that this credit union offers.
All right, one of the first credit cards they got is the Visa Platinum Rewards. Now, what I love about this card is they have 0% for 9 months on all purchases. Now, that's great if you have high debt or high utilization and you want to actually spread out some of your purchases or your new purchases. You want to get them for 0%. This is the card, guys. And look, for the first $500 that you spend, they're going to give you a $100 statement credit. And then you can earn 1.5% on all purchases.
Marvin, majority of the time when you have cards, you have to spend a larger amount in order to reap some of the benefits. But this card is absolutely amazing. So let's dive into the Visa Platinum Rewards card.
Right.
Now, with this card, you get benefits on every dollar that you spend. And we mean, when we say benefits, we mean reward points, okay?
Exactly.
And the wonderful thing about this card, it has 0% interest for up to 16 months on all balance transfers.
That's great.
That cash flow changer, right?
Yeah, because think about it. If you got high balances on other cards, you can balance transfer, let's say 5,000 off another card to bring that balance down. So for example, if you got a $10,000 limit, you want your balance to be below 30% or below 3,000.
Now, this right here can most definitely be a cash flow changer in your life because this right here can help you with that utilization problem that you may have.
Exactly.
Now, let's move on to the Visa Platinum card.
All right. With the Visa Platinum, they got 0% for 16 months on all balance transfers, you know, that you do in the first 60 days. So when getting these cards, you want to act fast. So you got about 2 months to plan this out. And if you guys plan it out right, you can actually raise your credit score up.
Okay. Now they have one more card as well, Marvin, which is the Visa Classic.
Right.
And it gives you the same as far as the 0% interest for 16 months. Like this credit union is good, it looks like, for doing balance transfers and bringing your utilization down. So you don't want to sleep on this credit union.
Right. And the Visa Classic is also good for establishing credit. So what we've learned about this credit union is they're bad credit friendly. So if you got issues with your credit, don't feel like, oh, I can't do anything with them. What I would do is set up a checking account, you know, let it stay open for 90 days, show them that you want to do business with them, and look at that Visa Classic if you need a credit card. And remember, guys, all of these cards we just named have no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees.
Okay. So let's dive over to some of the other benefits that this credit union offers.
Okay, Glove.
Okay. So Marvin, this credit union offers so many products. And the wonderful thing about it is it's a soft pull. You can get pre-qualified. And the soft pull is good for 30 days. So you can get multiple products off of that one pool. And that's what we call double dipping.
That's right. So look, guys, you can get a personal loan anywhere from $500 all the way up to $25,000. And like Gloria said, upon membership, they're going to pull your credit. But now that one pull can be used for a credit card, line of credit, loan, or even a car, maybe multiple products. And all of that's going to depend on your credit.
Okay. Now let's look at the line of credit.
Okay.
The line of credit goes up to $25,000 as well. So just think, if you wanted to get a personal loan, a line of credit, a credit card, that right there is $75,000 right out the gate.
Exactly. And then the credit cards, we may have failed to mention, go up to $25,000. So you're talking $25,000 on the credit card, maybe $25,000 on the loan or line of credit. I don't think you can get both, but one or the other. And now, guys, let's talk about debt consolidation. So right now, the United States is in more credit card debt than it's ever been in the history of the United States.
Yes.
So debt consolidation is huge right now. What I love about Keypoint, debt consolidation loans can go up to $50,000. Now that should be enough to help any of us, you know, get our utilization down and maybe just get one payment instead of payment stretched out over many credit cards.
I totally agree. And let's not forget, they do offer a secure loan.
Yes.
So that you can get a loan and you secure it. And this right here can help you, get your credit score up.
And so look, even you guys that are doing credit repair,
Mm-hmm.
don't forget this. You can get all the negative items off your credit. Matter of fact, we got a video about that, how to remove items with AI very fast if you're doing credit repair. But don't forget to build credit.
Yes.
While you're trying to delete negative items, try to build credit with a new credit union or a new bank, because guess what? The 3-6 months or however long to remove those items, guess what? You could be building credit and actually raise your credit score super fast.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about how they can join this credit union. Okay, so this credit union is located in the Bay Area and they don't do any geofencing. And what I mean by that, because I know you hear this term quite a bit and you may not know what it means. That means that it's not located in just a certain area for you to join. It's open, it's wide open, so anyone can join this credit union.
That's right, Gloria. You can live in any state, but if you do live in the Bay Area in California, if you have a family member that's a member, you can join. If you have certain employers, you can join. And then for certain people like Apple or tech companies, they'll let you become a member. But guess what? For those of you who have none of that, you can actually join the Financial Fitness Association, which they'll show you this as a part of your application. So start the application online and you'll see a pop-up where it says they're even going to pay for the first year so you can become a member at no extra cost.
And normally it costs $8 to join this organization. But if they're going to pay for it, hey, I wouldn't waste any time in joining.
All right, Gloria, let's not forget about the auto loans.
Okay, Marvin, the auto loans is a cash flow changer for me because I remember when we purchased our Range Rover and it was over $100,000 and we were thinking like, who are we going to get to finance this particular vehicle?
Right.
Well, this credit union goes up to $100,000 on financing an auto loan. We tried with Navy, but they were like, we can't go that high. But this credit union does.
Yes, and they'll give you up to 125% of what the vehicle is worth if it's a new vehicle. So if you guys are looking to get an auto loan, this is a great place to try to get that. And look, if anybody is actually a member already, can you please comment your experience with Keypoint?
And Marvin, one thing I love about Keypoint is 125%. That means your taxes, your tags, and your title. Guess what? You don't have to come out of pocket for this. You can just put it all in the loan.
Yes, and they have a fresh start program for anybody that has challenged credit. So bad credit is okay. It seems like to me, they just want you to have a relationship with them and continue to grow with them.
And this bank is also good for students that are coming out of college. And if you just have an offer letter, they'll most definitely approve you for some of their products.
Yes, and that's a great thing to mention. They also said people coming from outside of the country, they'll also help you get your credit started as well. So this is absolutely amazing.
Okay, Marvin, let's do a quick recap. Okay, so this credit union pulls Experian.
Right.
And keep in mind, they are bad credit friendly.
Yes.
But you also want to keep in mind that the interest rates are a little bit high on these particular cards.
Yeah, and look, if you want the best rates, make sure your credit score is over 720. But I want to tell you guys, I wouldn't be afraid whatever my credit score is because they have programs to fit everyone. And if you guys like this content, I want you to like and share this video. And guys, even if you want to hear about the business side, because they do have a business side, make sure you comment below and we'll make a video about that.
Okay, Marvin, hold up, because I have a gym.
Okay, what you got going?
Okay, so we talk about all the time repairing your credit.
Right.
And if you look at credit unions like this, once you start repairing your credit and you team up with the credit union like this, you can be in a winning situation. So if you have those nagging items that are on your credit and you can't get them off, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.